Last week on Uber Eats, we did $105.17. And checking in on Walmart Spark for last week, we got $250, and we working our way up for this week as well.
It's FDA, and I'm back with another video. Shout out to you for tuning in. If you ain't, I need you to hit that subscribe button. Cause why you want to hit that subscribe button? We doing a $100 giveaway at 10,000 subscribers. I'm gonna do a $100 giveaway. I'm gonna do a pizza bag giveaway, and I might even give away something else. Look, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button for your boy. Today we doing some Walmart Spark. We all the way turned up. Let's get it. I already got my first order done. $18 for 9 miles. I'm gonna throw a screenshot up right there, and I'm still within the first hour right now. I got my next order already. $11, 6 miles. Let's get it. And we got a Walmart Spark incentive going on too. Man, I'm getting this money. Look, I cannot be stopped. Walmart Spark is the way to go. I did some Doordash, some UberEats yesterday, ran it up, made 90 bucks in like 3 hours, and I ended up putting 50 bucks in the gas tank. Gas is $3.39 in St. Louis, $3.68 over here in Illinois. I say, you know what? I'm pulling over to St. Louis, I'm filling up the gas tank, and I'm finna get this money. Next, I'm on Walmart Spark today. We finna run it up. My goal today is 100 bucks. I need to make this 100 bucks as quickly as possible, and I need to do it on my terms. I'm on order number 2, $11.46, 6.3 miles. I'm at Walmart. I'm in parking spot number 4. Let's go. I got it in the car, but man, let me tell you, that Walmart employee was tweaking. He put my whole order in the car next to me's car. It is crazy. He put all the order in the trunk. He had to get it out. I said, look, Walmart man, you tweaking. I'm trying to make this money. I'm trying to make $30 an hour, and I cannot do it if you got my whole order in somebody else's car. Now look at this truck bagging up. Ain't even... What are you doing? What are you doing? Y'all, that Walmart man was tweaking. He almost gave my groceries to the wrong driver, and I can't have none of that. We pulling up at the first drop off right now. 11 bucks for 6 miles, so the next one got to be like 3 miles away. And you know what? I'm cool with it. That's about to be 30 bucks for the first hour with just Walmart Spark. Let's get it. We getting this money. I cannot be stopped.
Grab them bags, get them up to the front door, and can't be slow. Boom, let's go. Oh, gotta walk around. Oh, these people got nice. I can't cut the grass. I ain't gonna.
Some mason jars. Let's do it.
Yes, sir, we getting that money. Cannot be stopped on our own time clock.
Yes, sir. We just got $10 for 3 miles. Order number 3. Stop playing with me. $10, 3 miles. This is a return to the store. So we heading to a customer house for a pickup. Let's get it. This is perfect. This is actually my first time getting one of these. $10, 3 miles, taking me back to the store. Let's go. And I'm gonna get another order when I get there. Order number 3, stop playing with me. Here is a customer pickup, guys. This is my first time doing a customer return, picking up an item from a customer address and returning it back to the store. $10 for 3 miles. But you know what? I think they might be tweaking, y'all, because look, it's taking me all the way back to Walmart. So that means this customer lives super close to Walmart, and they want me to pick up an item and take it over there. And guess what? I'm cool with it. I don't even know if it's a tip on this one, guys. But guess what? It does not even matter, because this is order number 3, and we got a Walmart Spark incentive going on. I think it said you do 8 trips, you get like 24 bucks, or 12 trips, or something like that. But it don't even matter, because I'm only taking trips that's profitable for me anyways. And look, $100 a day is the goal. I actually thought about going and getting an oil change today, because since I got this new car, I don't think I got an oil change yet, and I think it may be time. So you know what? I said I'm finna let Walmart Spark pay for this oil change. I'm finna go out, hit it early. I usually don't even step out until like 11 or 12, or sometimes I drive down to Webster Groves. I say no, sir, not today. Today I'm heading out early. I'm heading out at 7:45, getting me one of them first batches. I'm trying to make $100 before noon. I got things I got to do, and I like to have my whole day ahead of me. See, look, this is what you got to realize right here. I got to edit the video. I got to hang out with the children. I got to eat. I got to play some video games. I got to watch me some YouTube. I need some time. So that means I got to get out early and make my money, and the earlier the better. And you know what they say, the early bird gets the worm. Well, in this case, the best order, because look at here, I'm on order number 3. Stop playing with me. Look, guys, we made it to our customer pickup, and they blocking the road. They doing construction, guys. I'm trying to be safe, but I'm FDA. I got to get up out of here. I got to get this money. Come on now, you see the little bulldozer right there. They said I can get through, so I'm trying to make it do what it do. Now my address is right up here, and I'm trying to get up out of here. Come on, guys, the customer did not have the item ready, and they didn't even have the item at all, guys. I couldn't even do the return. But you know what? It's all good. I'm not gonna let it discourage me. I'm 1 mile away from Walmart. We headed right back, and I'm heading down this cobblestone road. It got me messed up. Let's go. Order number 4, $9, 1.9 miles at Snooks. And guess what? It's on Instacart, baby. And guess what else? I'm right here at Snooks already. We turned up. I turned on another app. Walmart was playing them games. They was tweaking out here, man. And I cannot have that. $9 for 8 items, 2 miles. Let's get it. I'm about to be in and out this thing so fast you ain't finna know what happened.
Yes, sir. Snooks got some nice cars. Let's get to work, baby. And we in there smack. Now we just gotta go get some croissants. And we all done. And the croissants are right down there. Order number 5, let's go. $26.94, 6 miles, shop and deliver. And you know I'm about to hook it up. Let's get it. So today is day 1 of Walmart Spark Week, and look at all these orders. I just woke up, got 5 different orders on here already. It was just 7. Who is to blame for you not making enough money while you out here using delivery apps? Is it the delivery company? Is it the customer? Or is it you, the driver, the person who has the ability to accept and decline offers? Just bought me some 5-hour, and I just got an order of $7 for 2 miles at Panera. So I guess I'm gonna take it. Just a quick 30-minute Doordash shift for right now, but things can change. You know I'm gonna turn on Spark. I'm gonna turn on Uber. I'm gonna see what's jamming. My goal for right now is make $100, make it as quickly as possible, and do it on my terms. Now I want to see if I can do it in 4 hours. That's the goal. But if it takes me a little bit longer, that's okay too. This is order number 1, and you know what? I just realized I can turn on Instacart too. We got a Snooks over there. We got a Aldi's behind me, and Snooks over here has shop-only orders, and I love it because you can pretty much park your car and knock out 2 or 3 orders, and you know, run it up that way. DoorDash order of this shift: Panera Bread code, $7, 2 miles. Off order number 1, $7 for 2 miles. This was a great first order. Now I'm barely at 50%, so I need them to keep. Got that one dropped off. Next order came through, $6.75 for 5 miles, but I'm 1.5 miles away from the restaurant, so it's actually $6.75 for 3 miles. So I went on and snatched that because look, I'm trying to get these 2 orders knocked out and then see if I can extend my shift on this DoorDash schedule. Let's get the name of the game right there. If you can get 2 orders done every 30 minutes, you're making good time with DoorDash. Now look at UberEats. $3, 7 miles, Uber Eats. I can't take that. Maybe somebody else can take that and make a profit on it. In an electric vehicle, you know, maybe they got a teleporter machine or something. Me, I'm just riding in the Kia, so I can't even rock with that, but I appreciate it. I'm over to Mickey D's, grab my little DoorDash order, and I'm gonna just let that time on out because I can't make money right there with that. I don't got my teleporter on me. I don't got my jetpack. I don't got my time portal. I can't make money $3 going 7 miles. Not right now I can't. Maybe sometime in the future, but just not right now, Uber Eats, okay? We gotta get it delivered. It's like $6 for 3 miles right here. Right, wasn't able to extend my DoorDash shift, but $13.75 for 30 minutes of work. I'll take it. Cause look, I can't even remember the last time I made 26 bucks an hour. Let's get it. Now I got Uber Eats on right here. I got Walmart Spark on, and I'm about to click on Instacart once I get by these grocery stores. See if we can run it up. Just got a $6 3 mile run on Uber Eats at Wingstop. And we right here, we about to pull up over there and grab that, keep these wheels rolling. Spark has Walmart Plus Week. Walmart Plus Week is starting today. And if you're a Walmart Spark driver, I need you to pay close attention because you're going to be able to make lots of money during this time. They're going to have special promotions going on, lots of special deals for the customers. And that means it's going to be lots of incentives for the drivers because there's going to be too many orders out there and you're not going to be able to complete them all. They're not going to have enough drivers either. Now, when I woke up this morning, I saw about 20 orders on Walmart Spark left over from yesterday. So that lets you know right now that it's already getting to the point where the orders that are on there from the previous day fall over to the next day. Next up, we got $9.25 for 6 miles straight shot down this road. This one is right over there with Wasabi, so I'm finna make this right and I'm finna pull. Yes, sir, we made it. I hope they got it ready. Roll wait time on that order. Let's go. Next up, we got another $9 6-mile order. This one coming from UberEats, heading up to Chipotle. We just dropped off an order at the hospital. This is Anderson Hospital right here in Troy. So now we heading back to Glen Carbon. You know what? I think I'm finna go ahead and accept every order DoorDash send me and see if that make a difference. I'm sitting at 50% acceptance rate right now, 80% completion rate, and I need to get both of them up. So I'm finna bite the bullet and get to Chipotle, picking up that Uber Eats for Liz. And I said I was finna accept every order, and as soon as I did, they sent me $10, 13 miles. Man, hell to the no, I ain't driving 13 miles away. I thought shit was going good, and they was just gonna send me, look, you know, 5 to 6 mile deliveries here and there like they've been doing. Man, the moment I said I'm taking everything, they sent me 13 mile delivery for $10. Hell to the no. I guess it is not the time to do that just yet. $13.75 for that first 30 minutes and $19.50 for this one. So look, that's good right there. That's 32 bucks, and that's accepting orders and cherry picking. I'll take it. I wasn't able to extend my shift anymore, so I'm gonna have to just park it and see if I can get back on. $8.23 for 6.5 miles on Walmart Spark. No sir, leave that one alone. $13.01 for 13.4 miles. Who's taking this offer? Let me know in the comments below, because it won't be me. No sir, we do not play that. Come on now. And just waited about 20 minutes and I finally got my next order. $38.40 curbside pickup. 8 miles, let's go. Now that's the kind of order I've been waiting to see all day. That's gonna put me the rest of my Walmart Spark order in the back seat. $38 for 6 miles, heading to the first delivery right now. And you know what? These delivery totes be coming in handy, because look at all that. I got about 100 items, probably 150 units in the back right here, but you know what? It's all good. Now, I was mistaken earlier. I thought this one was gonna put me over the edge and hit my daily goal of 100 bucks, but we got a little bit more to go. This one's 38. I got 33 on DoorDash and 9 on Uber, so that's like 43 almost, because there was some change on there. 43 there, almost 40 here, so we only like at 80 bucks after I drop off this order, but that's okay. 20 more bucks to go. The night is still young. Got plenty of time. Toggle on DoorDash, toggle on Uber. See if we can make up that. Next order, $16.89, 7.2 miles. But it's for the wrong store. If it would have been for my Walmart Spark, I would have took it. But this one is for the third Walmart Spark in my area. So next up, DoorDash order, $3.50 for 3 miles. Chick-fil-A, can't do it. No, can't do it. Just had to let it go. Next up, $8.75 for 6.7, or was it $8.25? I don't know. I just accepted it though. Heading over to KFC right now to pick this one up. Hopefully, I get a stack or at least something to add it on with Uber Eats. But KFC is right over here. It's right over there. I'm sitting at Lowe's right now. That's where I like to sit at and wait for my orders. I really just pulled up. Actually, there go KFC right there. I can see it. I just pulled up. You know, I sat here for about, what, 30 seconds. Got those 2 orders, and I'm like, okay, let me take that. Boom, keep these wheels rolling, because I want to get a Walmart Spark order that's way better. But I need to make my 100. After this one, I'll have 12 more bucks to go. Yes, how you doing? I'm picking up a DoorDash order for...
Excellent. Yeah, we should have that ready for you soon.
Awesome. First time this has ever happened. I just took an order I wouldn't take to bring me in the area I wouldn't go, and I just got an order sending me back to where I just came from. And it's also another order I wouldn't take, but me knowing my zone, I just came from there. I'm going back there already, and they just sent me an order for Cracker Barrel. Now I get an order that's taking me back their way. So I guess I might have to eat my words on that one, because I guess it do work out sometimes if you take an order that may not seem good. Let's go to Cracker Barrel, guys. Hey guys, I need to get my completion rate up so I can unassign a whole bunch of orders and get... That's the order I needed right there. I'm headed up that way already to drop this order off, and now I got an order to make my $100 goal. Let's get it. Next order, we had $3.75 for 3.5 miles. No sir. Next up after that, $14, 12 miles. It's a straight shot down the highway, but it's taking you like to the edge of your zone, and I don't like that. I'm trying to stay within the zone, make a couple dollars. I actually just hit the $100 goal, so I'm happy with that, but I want to see if I can clean up a couple more orders and keep it within like a 3 to 4 mile radius. Up $11.75, 14 miles. Both orders are picked up at the same spot, but still not a great order. I did drop below 50%.
Make a right.
I dropped below 50%, guys. So Probably finna start seeing a lot trash offers, but I'll try my best to work it back up, but I can't take these crazy offers like this. DoorDash just sent me an order, $12.50 for 15 miles at Chick-fil-A. It didn't really got bad. Once you drop below 50%, woo, it's gonna keep on going down quickly until you bite that bullet. I'm trying to make money, so I can't do it tonight. Next up, $8.25 for 7 miles. No, sirski, we is not taking those, DoorDash. I need something a little better. Come on and hook me up. Next order, $7.50 for 6 miles at Panera Bread. I took it because I'm hoping to get a stack. It's not the best order ever. But then look at this, $23.67 for 22 miles. No, sir. I would much rather take this Panera than take that. I can't. Apartment D. Oh, that's F-E. This D down here. Right on, I appreciate it.
Oh, that's a lady.
Righty, so we gonna finish it off right there for this DoorDash shift. And surprisingly, we did pretty good because we made the most on DoorDash. Well, actually, no, we actually made the most on Walmart Spark, but we made the most on DoorDash in a very long time. So I'm gonna throw a screenshot up right here. As you can see, a couple different dashes today on Saturday, but all in all, we made $61 today with DoorDash. And then if you check out over here, we got $45.65 in daily confirmed earnings and another $29.66 in unconfirmed tips. Man, I don't have to worry about my tips being taken away because they always stick. Eats is showing $12.54, but I did a $9 order and a $7 order, so that's gonna go up to 16 bucks right there. Total to $152.31. Not bad. Now my daily goal is $100, but I will definitely take an extra 52 bucks on top of that. Now look, we did really good for this shift, multi-apping, working our way, doing things on our terms, having the freedom and flexibility to do that and maneuver the way we want to in this gig economy. Now look at her. If you made it this far in the video, you might as well go ahead, hit that like and the subscribe button, and go ahead and share this video so it get out to some new dashers so they can see the types of orders you should take, how to make this money, how to really maximize and enjoy the freedom of being a gig economy driver. And as always, I'll catch y'all in the next one.